Namaskar, welcome to my new vlog. So right now I am in my cousin's home and it's a 6th year birthday. So her mom decorated this. This is the unicorn themed party with all the balloons and the butterfly and the special unicorn. So these are the food for the party. So this is the party box. So we have the vanilla pastry and this box also contains the same vanilla pastry and these are the party box, customized party box, which has the paneer and cheese puffs or like a roll along with the donut. So total 50 pieces of this cake and 50 boxes of total party box. And these are for the afternoon lunch, some gulab jamun and some kheer or the paisam along with rice, sambar and papad. So there was also a party in Abaran Udupi. So after the cake cutting, we came here. So this is the birthday cake, butterscotch cake from Parivar Udupi, 2 kg cake. And this is that fruit cake from Abaran. So it was a very good and plain cake with lots of fruits in it, along with some dry fruits as well. So the everything for the party is ready: cake, pastries, and the box and Mirinda juice, everything. And this box costed 105 rupees per box. One pastry, one roll, which is like a puffs, and another one is the donut. So after the party, we came to our home, and I'll show you a recipe today how to make a special Pahadi style Maggie. So for that, first take a Maggie, 6 pack Maggie. After that, take onion, the finely chopped onions. After that, take any vegetable as per your wish. I have took some coriander leaves, green chili, carrot, and some tomato as well. Everything should be finely chopped. You can also add paneer, mushroom, and corn if you wish. So now take a pan. After that, add little bit of water. Before that, add little bit of oil, ginger garlic paste, and add all the vegetables and cook this very well. So like this, mix it very well and cook this. Add half a glass of water so that the vegetable will be perfectly cooked. And make sure that the vegetables are 90% cooked, because while you eat the Maggi, you should have the crunchiness. After that, add garam masala, chili powder, Maggi masala, and some salt, and mix this very well. For 6 packs of Maggi, add 6 glasses of water like this. Mix it very well. If you want to make it even more spicy, you can add red chili powder in a much quantity. After that, add the Maggi and mix it very well until it is perfectly cooked. I think within 2 to 3 minutes it will be cooked perfectly. So I'll eat it afterwards. Just I am now doing a taste test. So as you can see the color of the Maggi, it is red and spicy and very good taste, and the vegetables has the perfect crunchiness, and the Maggi is also perfectly cooked, and everything, the soup water, that Maggi and that vegetable should be combined, and it should give us similar taste. That's why you need to add lots of masala while cooking the vegetable Maggi. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Let us meet in the next video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.